Viewing sound.
In all fairness, if you wouldn't have got it, you know?
Sorry to mix his own 2 grams with 50 of watered down fluid restriction.
Who is that for?
26.
Yeah, there's a chance it might be two.
Yeah.
There's a chance it might be able to just let it close and get it about 4:30.
Just double check. Yeah, I don't think it can.
I'm sorry. Good work. I know. Get nothing today, but good one. Very nice service. Alright, I'll let you know when you're done.
I think you could probably pop into it now. The nurse is still in there, but I think it's fine for you to go in. He's in number 9.
Thank you very much.
You're more than welcome. Yeah, Mr. Ellis is literally just in the door. Yeah, he looks good. Now, these, what were these? Mr. Ellis? Yeah, now he pulled his drain out by accident this
That's
morning.
fine.
He's coming out, and the
Yeah.
stitch looks alright, so.
That's fine.
You got it.
I'll see him, just wave at him, and then hopefully you'll be done Mr. Ellis's job by
he's-
then.
Yeah.
Where's he? I'll meet you in there.
Mr. Molinara's in 6.
And Alice?
Is in 9.
Okay.
I'll be there in 1 sec.
No worries.